Life is an incredible gift. Every morning, we are given a new opportunity to fill each day with meaning and purpose. Amongst all the joys and challenges, life is a priceless lesson. Every step, every decision, and every moment shapes our story. In the journey of life, we will face trials and obstacles. But remember, true strength comes not when things go smoothly, but when we face adversity with our heads held high and our hearts strong. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow, learn, and discover new resilience. Sometimes, life shows you the unexpected. But that's what makes it so interesting. Don't be afraid to take risks and explore new things. Sometimes, going beyond our limits is a necessary step to discovering the hidden potential that lies within us. Life is about creating precious moments and meaningful relationships. Make every opportunity to appreciate those closest to you and build deep connections. Cherish the togetherness, love, and compassion that surrounds us. But don't forget, life is also about respecting and valuing ourselves. Don't let worries and doubts rob us of our confidence. Believe in our ability to overcome challenges, pursue our dreams, and achieve success. In the midst of this journey, we may experience failures and difficulties. However, never give up. Remember that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Valuable lessons and new strengths can be found behind every failure. Finally, enjoy the journey. Feel every moment, create precious memories, and be grateful for all the experiences we have had. Life is about living life with passion, awareness, and gratitude. Be the guardian of your own life story. Be the hero of your journey. Believe in your strengths, recognize your values, and set your goals. Life is a priceless gift, so live passionately and be the best version of your true self.